Audi S4, Mitsubishi 3000 GT, Infiniti G, Porsche Boxster, Jaguar XKR, Lexus SC430, Mercedes CLK 55M, Nissan 370Z, 4th generation Chevrolet Camaro, 2013 Subaru Brz, Cadillac CTS-V, Honda S2000, Bmw E39 M5, 2005 Pontiac GTO, 2001-2006 Holden Monaro Coupe, Nissan 350Z, Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, Ford Mustang SVT Cobra, Porsche 911 Carrera, Bmw E39 Chevrolet Corvette, 2015 Fisher-Price Grand Coupe, 2015 Fisher-Price Grand Coupe.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.